Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by setting a consistent foundation. Open Design and pick a theme from the gallery. This sets fonts, colors, and effects across the doc. Once done, make sure to apply it to the whole document or just the current selection depending on your goal. You're creating global styling, so choose a theme that matches tone and branding. It saves time later. If you need a clean slate, choose Office theme first, then tweak colors and fonts to avoid conflicting styles. Now customize the theme so it fits your document precisely. Change colors, fonts, and effects in the Design tab. Update heading and body fonts to ensure legibility and hierarchy. Once you've adjusted, save the combination as a new theme so you can reuse it. Go to Themes, Save Current Theme. You'll also want to tweak the styles pane so headings, captions, and normal text reflect the theme. This keeps automatic styling consistent, especially. Finish by applying your saved theme to related documents and checking elements that often break: headers, footers, tables, and charts. You must inspect smart art and imported graphics because they sometimes carry embedded formatting. Write, replace, or reapply theme styles where needed. If something looks off, reset styles to the theme defaults or reload the saved theme. This usually fixes color or font mismatches. And if a specific section resists, clear direct formatting and reapply the correct style to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.